Welcome to Wilderness Wanderers. It is another hike with Kat and Yuni, and we are in the San Gabriel Mountains. It's a 4-mile round trip, and we are super excited to see what's at the end of this hike. Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher that we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we can stay. Why?
Located just outside of Wrightwood in the Angeles National Forest, the Bighorn Mine Trail is a brilliant find. There is parking for about 50 cars, but it is so popular, it's a great idea to go midweek or get there very early.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all you
There was no signage in the parking lot or along the trail, so thank you to the hiking guy for this photograph.
We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things.
That the trail splits two ways, but someone has clearly marked that it's that way. That is the way that we should keep going. I mean, we're not going to tell you how to live, but we also aren't going to ignore the signs.
We're gonna go right.
Except for the sign at the beginning that said closed road.
We were born with gold on the inside, gold on the inside. We're alive, we're sipping on sunshine. We want to taste of this world as an offer. Unafraid, we were made to wander. We will never let it go to waste. No, we're never gonna let it fade. We want to taste of this world as an offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.
So we're just taking a moment to cool off because it's Southern California and it's a high of 90 degrees today.
And how cold is that water?
It's actually very cold, almost ice cold.
This is rated easy, but as you can see, there are some areas of this hike that are definitely sketchy. You see this, guys? Like literally 1 footprint width, and then, oh, why am I looking down there? Okay. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button so YouTube knows. And if you're not one of our subscribers yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We drop new videos every Wednesday and Saturday.
Magical.
We're sipping on sunshine. We want to taste of this world as an
So here we are again, taking notice of nature's graffiti. And by that we mean people. I'm more offended by the carving than I am the paint.
If you had any doubt as to whether you might miss this mine, you definitely will not.
sipping on sunshine. Sipping on sunshine.
We do have our headlamps. We are ready to do some exploring.
But very mildly, because like we're not thrill seekers beyond the actual hike. So do travel at your own risk.
We were born with gold on the inside. We got gold on the inside. We're sipping on sunshine. Sipping on sunshine. We want to taste of this world as the
Once you make it to the mine, it is imperative that you take the Instagram shots that everybody else takes. But hey, we had a blast. I was very proud of myself for getting up on that thing. Once you are ready to make your way into the mine, you're going to go to the right and go up behind the mine. Now, this is a treacherous area, so please be careful. And again, just as Yuni said, you're going in at your own risk.
sipping on sunshine. We're just sipping on sunshine.
That was pretty intense. I'm like, oh my gosh, okay.
Do you think that's intense? Wait till you see this next little bit of
All right, this is fun.
Are you ready? Gonna take the prize. Got a feeling, and I won't keep quiet.
This is not a good idea for Kat.
I'm going, yeah, I feel alive. Get ready, tonight's the night. You know I break through the roof, don't you?
It's not that it's difficult, it's just that my fear is it starts to cripple me after a while.
Which brings us to this point. What are you afraid of when you're out on the trail? I mean, I just came to the realization on our last hike that we were two women alone in the wilderness. And not that that should deter us, but I mean, we were two women alone in the wilderness.
The youth group came out, they were awesome. Here we go into the mine. Not the most attractive video. Oh my gosh, I've got long legs and it's kind of tough to get through here, so here we go. Look at this. Selfie videoing getting into the mine. Watch. Oh my goodness gracious me, it's not a very big hole. Check it out now where we're going, this is pretty cool. So the plan is to video until we can video no more. You can stand up in here, it's pretty cool. And we've both got our headlamps. In the main tunnel. This mine has 3 different tunnels, one of which goes almost 1,300 feet into the mountain. After about 500 yards, the mine opened up and another tunnel appeared to our right. Creepy as all get out down here, gotta be honest. Yeah. Not sure how much further I want to go either now. You said there's someone down here, which just freaked me out. And gotta be honest, the dripping water is kind of freaking me out a little.
Yeah, it does.
And that's enough exploring for us. Did freak us out a little. I was okay until Yuni said, "There's someone in here." So, anyway, we've come out. But, you know, you can go a lot further in. There's a lot more to explore. Just wasn't our jam today. Hi guys, thanks for watching our bags while we adventured into the mine. Even though we got a little freaked out, we really did enjoy our time in the mine. Now it's time to head back down. I'm sorry, let's get this on camera. I'm sorry, what was that? You would do what if there was trouble in the mine?
I would absolutely throw you into danger. It's a reflex reaction. I mean, I like that we all think we would rise to the occasion to be good people, but how many of us are actually willing to rise to that occasion? But I would just like to point out that I brought one Catherine Soto, a mandarin orange, specifically for her so her blood sugar wouldn't drop. So I'm at least decent until I throw into danger.
Just take the jump and hold your
We made it! We're here! We survived!
Yes, we survived our time in the creepy ass mine. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.